Picking the right foods to eat when you have diabetes can help lower your blood sugar or keep it stable. A low glycemic index and glycemic loading diet can be beneficial for people with diabetes. Carbohydrates are found in starchy vegetables and are broken down into glucose in the blood. Veggies offers antioxidants that help keep health complications at a bay. Non-starchy vegetables can help to stabilize blood sugar levels. To hit your blood sugar level target, eat a variety of vegetables having a low to medium level glycemic index foods and less sugar. These vegetables are not good for the diabetes patients. Let's take a look at some of these vegetables. 1. Potatoes. Potatoes are good source of fiber which can help you lose weight by keeping you full longer. Potatoes are also full of antioxidants that work to prevent diseases and vitamins that help your body function properly. One study found that for every 3 servings per week of boiled, mashed, or baked potatoes, there was 4% increase in the risk of type 2 diabetes. For French fries, the risk increased to 19%. One medium baked potato contains carbs 36.6 grams. Glycemic index is medium to high. These carbs digest faster than other carbs. These broken down carbs flood your blood with sugar. This makes your blood sugar spike quickly. It is important to consider the amount and types you consume when you are a diabetes patient. 2. Corn. It has a high fiber, it can aid with the digestion. It also contains a valuable B vitamins which are important to your overall health. It also provides our bodies with essential minerals such as zinc, magnesium, copper, iron, manganese. The glycemic index of corn is 52. Other related glycemic index includes corn tortilla 46, cornflakes 81, popcorn 65. Whether it is on the cob or from a can, just half cup of corn kernels as whooping 21-gram carb count and only 2 grams of fiber. If you are a diabetes and you love corn, be sure to keep the portion small and pair it with protein and high fiber foods. 3. Pumpkin. Pumpkin in your diet can help your immune cells work better to ward off germs and speed healing when you get a wound. Pumpkin offer vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, beta carotene and folate. It will strengthen your immune system. Pumpkin has a high glycemic index at 75 but a low glycemic load at 3. If you stick to eating a single portion of pumpkin, it should not significantly affect your blood sugar levels. Eating a large amount of pumpkin could drastically increase your blood sugar. 4. Parsnips. Parsnips is packed with a hearty dose of fiber, vitamins, and minerals into each serving. Parsnips are a great source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, as well as several other important micronutrients. Parsnips have a glycemic index of 52, which is considered moderately glycemic. Pairing them with source of protein can help to reduce their glycemic impact to prevent quick blood sugar spikes. 5. Beetroots. Beetroots are a great source of fiber, folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroots and beetroot juice helps to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and increased exercise performance. Beetroots have a glycemic index score of 61, which is considered medium. The carbs in beetroots are mainly simple sugars such as a glucose and fructose. If you are a diabetes, you need to eat limited amount of beetroot and beetroot juice to avoid sugar levels in the body. 6. Turnips. Turnip has a vitamin A, phosphorus, and magnesium, and also promote bone health. Turnip greens also provide one of the highest calcium and vitamin K. It has a high fiber. Diets are associated with a lower risk of intestinal problems including diverticulitis. Turnips have a glycemic index of 62, which is considered moderately glycemic. Pairing them with source of protein can help to reduce their glycemic impact to prevent quick blood sugar. 7. Sweet potatoes. They are high in fiber and antioxidants which protect your body from free radical damage. The fiber and antioxidants in sweet potatoes are advantageous to gut health. Sweet potatoes may improve brain health by reducing inflammation and preventing mental decline. Baked sweet potatoes have a significantly higher glycemic index than any other form. In fact, sweet potatoes that have been peeled and baked for 45 minutes have glycemic index of 94, making them a high glycemic index food. By pairing it with other very low carb ingredients, you can definitely reduce the sugar level if you love this vegetable. 8. Butternut squash. This starchy veggie is actually a cold weather superfood. It contains more carbohydrates than other vegetables. It provides an abundance of health benefits due to its richness in vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. There are about 30 gram net carbs per cup of butternut squash, which makes it a fairly high carb vegetable. By pairing it with other very low carb ingredients, you can definitely make it work diabetes patients. This squash is full of healthy carbohydrates, and when it is boiled, it has a low glycemic index of 51.3. 9. Hams. They are a great source of fiber, potassium, manganese, copper, and antioxidants. Yams are linked to various health benefits and may boost brain health, reduce inflammation. They are versatile, easy to prepare, and a great vegetable to include in your diet in both sweet and savory dishes. Yams have a low to high glycemic index ranging from 35 to 77. Boiling rather than baking, frying, or roasting is linked to a lower glycemic index. Glycemic load of approximately 3/4 cup of chopped raw yam is 9.3. By pairing it with other proteins ingredients, you can definitely make it work diabetes patient. 10. Peas. Peas are a good source of vitamin C and E, zinc, and other antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. It has a vitamin C and B and cholesterol help to reduce inflammation and lower your risk of chronic conditions. They are a good source of potassium which may decrease the growth and development of blood vessels plaques. Green peas glycemic index average is 51 and it is a moderate level. Green peas makes them a diabetic friendly food if you add little protein to the recipe to avoid spike your blood sugar.